day 2. Looks like the guys made some progress on the neon last night. So she is currently sanded, primed, all the little dings are fixed, and it's looking like she's gonna be getting ready to go into the spray booth this morning for sealer. Back and half asleep. There he is.
Whoa. How we doing? Good morning.
Mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? Or do I sound like I'm calling from 1997?
We want our Radio Shack back.
No, we have to do a quick mic check. These are our new mics. We're gonna hear ASMR chewing sounds later.
It'll fit in, yeah. I can just kind of hold it there.
We are back. Bruce is back. We are on our way down to the shop this morning. The SRT is in the spray booth, taped up, and she is ready for paint. We got all the dents, all the little dings, everything fixed. All the clear coat has been sanded. The car's been sealed. Let's go get some color laid on this beauty. Mr. Sun ain't even out yet. Something tells me that these mics aren't gonna be picking up as clear as they should be unless they're pointed up more. You still have yours on?
Yeah. I don't know how to turn it off.
Look at this shirt, dude. Shout out Rust to Redemption.
Back in black, baby!
Well, we're just having a sit while we wait for the first coat to dry. How's she looking?
Back in blacker than ever.
You guys want to see how long I've been doing this? Check out this circuit breaker box in the shop. Bruce just brought up the time clock that's no longer there. But all of the punch-in cards are still there. Bruce has mine.
Miguel.
Christian doesn't even work here anymore. And Thomas was this homeless dude on the street that used to just come in and sweep. Why was he punching in? We don't use the punch clock anymore. We just use the trust system. We trust that you'll be here, and we know that you trust that if you're not here, you won't have a job anymore. What are you doing, step bro? You like it?
I love it.
We just wrapped up with the first coat of clear. We are leaving Carlos to do the second, and we got to head out because we're going to Boost by the Beach down in Stratford. So it's another coastal car meet. This is the third one. So we're gonna go home, pick up the SRT, the yellow one, and the Chevelle, bring those down there. And then we got to wait until next week to finish up the bumpers and the spoiler for the SRT. So all we got done today was just the whole body and everything that you saw in the spray booth. So we'll pick this video back up Monday morning so we can go around the car and see what it looks like once it's all hardened and dried. Off to Boost by the Beach. Good morning, boys. It's Monday morning. We're back at the spray booth. She's had some time to sit overnight. We're gonna get this thing unwrapped. She looks absolutely incredible. Look at this thing, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Start pulling these papers off. I feel like a little kid opening presents on Christmas. Santa came! Ah! Well, boys, the bumpers and the spoiler have made it into the spray booth. So they're sitting here in sealer. Carlos got them sealed last night, and we're gonna get these things prepped and painted today. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. The car's sprayed, the bumpers are sprayed, everything's ready to go. We just got a shipment in today. We got our fresh belt moldings in, and we just got a few other trim pieces left to get cleaned up before we can reassemble the bumper. This has been about a full week's worth of work, pretty much jumping back and forth between making this video and getting the clips and putting them all together. I'm extremely happy with how this thing has come out. It's crazy to see a car that we just found basically almost in a field, you know, about a month and a half ago, come to life like this. And they always come to life in the spray booth. So not only did it run and drive excellent going down to the shop to get it painted, but now it looks like $1 million. It's like after these last few weeks of all this hard work, ordering parts, getting the car together, fighting and sorting out all the little issues with it, it's like now it's finally with the light at the end of the tunnel on this final path of her bodywork and paint job, and then the reassembly. And once it goes through reassembly, whew, I'm excited to peel it all back and put it all back together so you guys can really see the final form. I'm gonna try my best to keep the content flowing as frequently as possible. Again, as you guys know, it's a little bit difficult, but even if I start doing a little bit more raw form content instead of having, you know, go through and edit and all the other stuff to kind of tidy it up and make it nice, I think we're gonna just start trying to put out some more videos that are just raw. That way we can keep it going, keep you guys entertained, and keep the updates flowing for the Neon. We're gonna sand and buff next, get this thing tidied up, cleaned, and reassembled, so that'll be the next video. And I appreciate all you guys watching as always. Thanks for all the support. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. love to hear what you guys think always. If there's anything specific you want to see on the reassembly, let me know. I'll try and incorporate it into the video. And that's gonna do it for now. So again, I will see you guys on the next one. Later.